Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the minimum deposit for Novo Bank. Now, I know that a lot of you are probably wondering why this is important. Well, the minimum deposit is the amount of money that you need to have in your account in order to open it and keep it active. So, if you're considering opening a Novo Bank account, it's important to know what the minimum deposit is. In addition to the minimum deposit, there are also some other things to keep in mind when choosing a bank. For example, you'll want to consider the bank's interest rates, fees, and customer service. So, with that said, let's get started. What is the minimum deposit for Novo Bank? The minimum deposit for Novo Bank is $100. This means that you need to have at least $100 in your account in order to open it and keep it active. How does Novo Bank compare to other banks? Novo Bank's minimum deposit is lower than the average minimum deposit for other banks. In fact, many banks require a minimum deposit of $500 or more. What are the benefits of having a Novo Bank account? There are a number of benefits to having a Novo Bank account. Some of the benefits include: no monthly fees, no overdraft fees, free ATM withdrawals, early direct deposit access, high-yield savings account. How can I open a Novo Bank account? Opening a Novo Bank account is easy. All you need to do is go to the Novo Bank website and click on the Open an Account button. You'll then be asked to provide some personal information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Once you've provided this information, you'll be able to create your account. What are the drawbacks of having a Novo Bank account? There are a few drawbacks to having a Novo Bank account. Some of the drawbacks include: limited branch network, no physical bank locations, limited customer service options. So, there you have it. The minimum deposit for Novo Bank is $100. If you're looking for a bank with no monthly fees, no overdraft fees, and free ATM withdrawals, then Novo Bank may be a good option for you. However, if you're looking for a bank with a large branch network or extensive customer service options, then Novo Bank may not be the best choice for you. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to open a Novo Bank account is up to you. I hope this information has helped you make a more informed decision. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. If you're interested in learning more about Novo Bank, please click on the link below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.